Good day, everybody. This is Arjen from the Taino Valley Tropical Park in Tupagua. We are here with the material we're going to use for a testing setup for a hydroponic system, what probably later could be put in the Taino Valley Park greenhouses on a bigger scale. Planning is to work with pipes of 110 millimeters or 4-inch diameter. These are 3 meter long, 10 feet more or less. In the future they can be 6 meter or even 12 meter long. The holes are every 25 centimeters, 10 inch, with a diameter of 70 millimeters, where the net boxes will fit in properly. The supports for the tubes, what I will put on. This is the return pipe where the water comes back to the water tank. The 4 taps on the end of the tube with the water inlet and the air inlet. Over here we have the 4 on the back side where the water's leaving, going back into the return tube and then back to the tank. Here we have a pump with dividing the 4 tubes who are going to be connected to the inlet. And we have a air pump, aerosol pump, which each tube will have its own entrance into the pipe with a air stone attached. The idea is not that it will be fully NFT system, but a combination of NFT, DWS recycling, and also in the beginning of the time working with wicks for the first 10 days the plants are in the tube. This because we are here in extreme circumstances in the Dominican Republic. It's getting very hot, and the problem is we don't have guarantee of 24 hours electricity. Can be cut off for maintenance, half a day, 3/4 of the day. Can, in a storm, it can be off for 1-2 days. So we have to take care that there is still always water into the tubes. Instead, only the thin film of a few millimeters you have with the NFT system. The pump for the circulation is only 16 watts. That should be sufficient enough for circulating about 1.5–2 liters per minute per channel. Going back into the tank will be in the future put in the ground, deep in the ground, with only this part above, so that we can use the cooling from the earth temperature to cool down and control the temperature of the water. Next thing is putting everything together and leveling it for the correct declination, and then we have to start testing it. We'll be back soon.